Obsidian versus Notion. Which is better? Ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of tools and apps out there designed to help you organize your thoughts, projects, and life? Today, we're going to dive deep into two of the most popular contenders in this space, Obsidian and Notion. But before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's ask ourselves a fundamental question. What exactly do we need from a note-taking app? Is it simply a digital notebook? Or do we require a more robust system that can handle complex workflows and projects? Understanding your needs. Personal versus professional. The first step is to identify your primary use case. Are you primarily using the app for personal note-taking, journaling, or research? Or do you need a tool that can handle complex projects, collaborate with teams, and potentially integrate with other productivity systems? Features and functionality. Consider the specific features you're looking for. Do you need rich text formatting, embedded media, task management, or database capabilities? Both Obsidian and Notion offer a range of features, but their strengths and weaknesses may differ. Customization and flexibility. How important is customization to you? Do you want to be able to tailor the app to your specific workflow and preferences? Both Obsidian and Notion allow for a certain degree of customization, but their approaches differ. Obsidian, the knowledge graph approach. Core concept. Obsidian is built around the concept of a knowledge graph, which connects your notes through links. This approach encourages deep thinking and exploration, as you can easily see how different ideas and concepts relate to each other. Key features. Markdown-based. Obsidian uses Markdown, a lightweight markup language that's easy to learn and write. Link-based. The app's core feature is its ability to create links between notes, forming an interconnected web of information. Plugins and themes. Obsidian's ecosystem is thriving, with a wide range of plugins available to extend its functionality and customize its appearance. Strengths. Ideal for those who enjoy exploring connections between ideas and building a personal knowledge base. Great for researchers, writers, and students who need a flexible and customizable tool. Weaknesses. Can be overwhelming for beginners who are unfamiliar with Markdown or knowledge graph concepts. May not be the best choice for those who require a more structured and task-oriented approach. Notion. The versatile workspace. Core concept. Notion is a versatile workspace that can be used for a variety of purposes, from note-taking and project management to database creation and collaboration. Key features. Flexible blocks. Notion uses a block-based system, allowing you to create different types of content, such as text, images, tables, databases, and more. Templates. Notion offers a variety of pre-built templates to help you get started with different tasks and projects. Collaboration. The app supports real-time collaboration, making it ideal for teams working on shared projects. Strengths. Offers a wide range of features and can be used for a variety of purposes. Easy to learn and use even for beginners. Great for teams who need a collaborative workspace. Weaknesses. Can be overwhelming for those who prefer a simpler, more focused tool. May not be as customizable as Obsidian for those who want to deeply integrate the app into their workflow. Comparing the two. Side-by-side comparison. Let's break down the key differences between Obsidian and Notion. Interface. Obsidian is more minimalist, while Notion offers a more visually appealing and feature-rich interface. Features. Obsidian excels at knowledge graph creation and exploration, while Notion is more versatile and can be used for a wider range of tasks. Customization. Obsidian offers more customization options through plugins and themes, while Notion provides a more streamlined experience out of the box. Choosing the right tool. The best tool for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences. If you value deep exploration of connections between ideas and a highly customizable experience, Obsidian may be the better choice. If you need a versatile tool that can handle a variety of tasks and collaborate with teams, Notion might be a better fit. Ultimately, the decision between Obsidian and Notion comes down to personal preference and how you intend to use the app. Both tools offer unique strengths and weaknesses, and the best way to determine which one is right for you is to try them out for yourself. Have you used Obsidian or Notion before? What are your experiences with these tools? Share your thoughts in the comments below. With that said, Thanks for watching, and until next time.